Hello again. I've seen some people on Reddit and Facebook asking how to put fonts onto their CFX Saber, so I thought I'd make a video and try and make it as simple as possible. You'll need to access your SD card. You can do that through Rice, but I find you get faster copying if you take the SD card out and plug it into an adapter in your computer. I've got it here, and I've got the default SD card package loaded onto it. And before you mess with anything, you want to back it all up, and you want to make sure that your backups are backed up just in case. So I've got that done over here, and this is the folder that I'll be working in. So I can minimize this one for now. I've got a couple fonts here that I'm going to copy in. I'm going to start with this A New Hope Training by Kyberphonic, and we want to take this CFX version. The folder that has all the WAV files in it is the folder we want to copy. So we're going to copy this into our main folder. And then we want to make sure that it's numbered in line with all the others. So number hyphen the name of the font. You can put it in between some other ones, but that just means you have to rename every folder after that one. So then we want to look in here, and we want to make sure that this font comes with a font config text and an LEDs.txt, but looks like it's missing from this one. So we're going to go into another font, any other font, and copy that LEDs.txt file. We also want to check on this font config.txt, because older versions of the CFX only had 16 color and blade profiles. So in order to update it for newer firmwares, we just have to double that number right there. So there's 32 ones in the color and blade profiles. So that font is done. Some fonts are a little more complex, so I'll show you one of those. This is the Song of Storms from Repulse Custom Fonts, Custom Sounds. I'll have it linked in the description. So we want the Plector version, that's CFX. This is the folder with all the WAV files. So we'll copy this into our main folder over here. And we'll get this one numbered 16. Song of Storms. We want to look in here, make sure we have our font config and LEDs, but neither is there. So we go into another font, take our font config and our LEDs config, or LEDs.txt, and we'll paste them in there. So the extra things that come with this font, we have some audio, which looks like they're just some songs. In order to get these songs to play on the font, you have to change this folder. It needs to be named Tracks. And then each of these needs to be titled Track 1, 2, 3, etc. I'm only going to use the first three. And then it also comes with some young link swings and some adult link swings, so you can choose which one you want it to sound like. We'll take these adult link swings and we'll copy them on into here, replacing the original files. I also want to take that adult link end lock and paste it in here and make sure that it's named end lock 1 to replace that other one. Now that we've got all this set, we can put it back on our SD card. It is recommended that you format your SD card every time copying things to it. So format that. And we'll copy everything over. And that's it. Once that's copied, you plug it back into your Saber and you've got those fonts. Thanks for watching.